Hey guys, Josh here. Let's learn the T step today.
Hello, my name is Jesus.
Hey Jesus.
Start placing your heels together. This position looks like a T upside down. Lift one foot and at the same time lift the toe of the other foot and
so like
spin
that.
on your heel. To properly do this, place your weight on the heel of the spinning foot. Now shift your weight towards your toe and spin again while you step down the other foot.
Back to the T.
So we have one. And two.
Okay. Right, so T, heel, ball. So like when I push this way, it's on the ball. Heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball. There we go. So it's ball, and then back down to the T. And then ball, T, ball, T. It's not bad. Let's try the right foot. Ball, T. Ball, T. Ball, T. Ball, T. Hey, there we go. That was pretty easy. I think this one's going to be a fast one. Hey guys, thanks for watching my T-step video. I had a great time learning it. The next one's the Charleston. It's going to be up in the next few days. I'm really excited for that one. Thanks to Jesus for teaching me this T-step. The link to his video is below in the description. Leave comments. I want to hear your feedback, and I will see you next time.